Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to create a nested stack within another stack using AWS CloudFormation. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the CloudFormation service, then click on Create Stack with New Resources. Here, I'm going to upload a parent template file called root.eml. In this file, on line 3, I'm starting the parameters section and defining two parameters, environment type and instance type. On line 19, I'm starting the resources section where I'm defining a resource called EC2 nested stack, which is of the type CloudFormation stack.
Attention!
Under properties, I'm defining the template URL, which will upload to S3 next. Let's head to the S3 service and navigate to our test bucket. Here, I'm going to upload the ec2.yml file, which is our nested stack template. Grab the S3 object URL and paste it in the template URL section. I'm also going to pass the environment type and instance type parameters that we defined earlier to our EC2 nested stack using the ref function. Next, let's look at the ec2.yml file. Here on line 1, I'm starting the mapping section and defining a map called region and environment type to AMI ID.
Attention!
It is a two-level map where the first level is the region and the second level is the environment type. On line 10, I'm starting the parameters section to specify the parameters that are being passed to this nested stack. On line 16, I'm starting the resources section and I have a resource defined called web server instance, which is of the type EC2. Under properties, I'm specifying the image ID using the findInMap function, which looks up the region and environment type to AMI ID map using the current region and the environment type. For instance type, I'm using the ref function to grab the value of the instance type parameter. On line 23, we have the output section where we are printing the values of the AMI ID and region. Let's go back to the root.eml file and look at the output section there. Here I'm printing the AMI ID and region again, but this time using the getAttribute function, and I'm also printing the values of environment type and instance type parameters. Let's head back to the CloudFormation window where we'll finish uploading the root.eml file, then hit next. Give your stack a name. Then in the parameters section, I'm going to pick prod for environment type and t2.micro for instance type. Then click on next. Review your stack configuration and acknowledge in the capabilities section, then hit submit. Your stack should now be in create in progress status. Give it a few minutes and your stack should eventually change to create_complete status. Head to the Outputs tab and confirm that the correct AMI ID was picked based on the environment type and the current region. If we head back to our region and environment type to AMI ID map and look at the US East 1 region for prod environment, our AMI ID is ending in 03F, which seems correct. If you go to the Resources tab, you should find the EC2 nested stack as your only resource. Let's make the EC2 nested stack active from the left menu and look at the resources there. Click on the physical ID of the web server instance to confirm that the AMI ID in the EC2 dashboard also ends in 03F. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.